Russian portable anti-aircraft missile the Verba complex will be modernized. The Kalashnikov concern has developed a new homing head, GHS, for the complex. This was reported by the concern's press service. According to the report, the Leningrad Optical and Mechanical Association has completed standard tests of modernized prototypes of the homing head for the Verba MANPADS. This will allow work to modernize the MANPADS in the shortest possible time. It is worth noting that several years ago, the Mechanical Engineering Design Bureau that produces the MANPADS spoke of an unfavorable situation with the development of new homing heads. Given the high need to protect airspace and critical facilities that have recently been subject to attacks by enemy UAVs, it is necessary to increase the effectiveness of MANPADS by ensuring the safety of their use in urban areas. Verba is a manned portable air defense missile system, MANPADS, designed to destroy aircraft, helicopters, cruise missiles and UAVs with low thermal radiation on head-on and chase courses in conditions of interference and at altitudes of up to 5,000 meters. The 9K333 Verba system was developed in 2010 to replace the IGLA systems. It was accepted into service in 2014. It differs from its predecessor in its 3-band seeker with high sensitivity and interference immunity. The system includes a launch mechanism, a missile, and a friend or foe system. Earlier, Russian-made IGLA-S and Verba manned portable air defense systems, MANPADS, are attracting a great deal of attention worldwide. Rosoboronexport's Exports head Alexander Mikheyev told TASS on the sidelines of the Army Forum. Russian air defense systems are now holding the top slots in all segments of the global market, he said. Long-range S-400 Triumph and Anti-4000 are effective against large targets. S-350E Vityaz, Viking and Buk protect military and civilian objects in the medium range, while systems like Panzer and Tor, in the short range. Moreover, Verba and IGLA-S MANPADS are also attracting a great deal of attention worldwide, he said. The most advanced MANPADS developed by the Mechanical Engineering Design Bureau at the moment is the Verba system, which was put into service in 2014 and belongs to the 4th generation. It is designed to destroy airplanes, helicopters, unmanned aerial vehicles and cruise missiles on oncoming and catch-up courses under the influence of false thermal interference with visual visibility of the target and in night conditions. Verba can be used in any geographical area, including mountain and sea conditions, in the temperature range from -50 to +50 degrees Celsius. What makes the Verba system superior to all existing MANPADS in the world, according to experts? The main advantages of the 9M336 missile are a more sensitive homing head and higher noise immunity. The unique infrared 3 spectral seeker can operate in the ultraviolet, near-infrared and mid-infrared ranges, which allows you to obtain maximum information about the target. The increased sensitivity of the missile increases the range of capture of airborne objects. In this case, the head automatically identifies false thermal targets and selects a real object based on a number of characteristics. Another advantage of the Verba is its high probability of hitting cruise missiles and unmanned aerial vehicles, including low-emitting ones in the thermal range. Such objects, the use of which is becoming increasingly intensive, are difficult to detect and even more difficult to shoot down. The Verba's destruction range is up to 6,000 meters, altitude is from 10 to 3,500 meters, and the speed of targets hit is up to 400 meters per second. Preparation time for shooting, up to 12s. The system's combat assets can work in conjunction with automated target designation systems, which make it possible to provide the anti-aircraft gunner with target data from higher-level control equipment and autonomous detection equipment. The Verba MANPADS is a full-fledged system, which, in addition to the missile in the launch tube, also includes a launch mechanism, a ground-based radar system for interrogating friend or foe, maintenance equipment and training equipment. In addition, Verba MANPADS systems can be supplemented with small-sized radar stations, planning, reconnaissance and control modules, as well as target designation equipment.